Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and thanks for taking a few moments to check out this video. I'm excited to share with you a unique opportunity from Unlimited Certificates, okay? And it's designed now to enhance your current business and provide exceptional value to your customers. Now, the platform that we have offers a versatile range of certificates that cater to various interests and needs, from luxurious travel escapes to gourmet dining experiences. Okay, and there's a lot to offer. I'm not going to share everything in this video, but would like to share just a couple of things for you to think about, and I'll leave a link in the description area of this video that you can go and take a look and check it out for yourself. It's absolutely free to do so, okay? So we've got customizable solutions, okay? And you can tailor our certificates to align with your business goals and customer preferences. There's zero inventory overhead, okay? And so you eliminate the hassle of stock management with our digital solutions. And you can boost customer retention. Use our certificates to incentivize repeat business and turn occasional buyers into loyal customers. Okay, so that's just a few things we want to cover in this video, and I'll leave the link again in the description area of this video where you can check things out for yourself. Okay, and as you can see here in our certificate that you're looking at, or at least this flyer, okay, unlimited certificates. All right, double your sales, giving away vacation incentives. All right, but there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.